How to solve a Rubik's Cube. This is the layered solutions method. Flip the cube so the yellow center is face up. Ignore the corners and manipulate the cube until you get the 4 white middle edges next to the yellow center, kinda like a daisy. Rotate the top until the center color on the side matches the color above it. Then rotate that face all the way to the bottom. Rotate the top for each of the sides until you form a white cross on the bottom. Flip the cube over so the white cross is on top. First, focus on removing all the white corners from the top that are incorrect by rotating the side down, then the bottom over, then rotating the side back up. Repeat this process until all the white corners are all on the bottom row. Now, rotate the bottom until the correct white corner matches the 2 adjacent sides' center colors. Slide the bottom white in the direction towards its 2 partner tiles on the bottom row. Then slide the opposite vertical side from the white down. Slide the bottom back and then the side back up. Repeat this process for each corner. If the white tile is facing down, then you will need to rotate the bottom away from you, the side up, the bottom back, then the side back down. Repeat this process for all the corners. The top should be completely white, and the first row on each side should match its adjacent center color. Flip the cube over so the yellow side is up. Rotate the top until you make a vertical center line of one color, with the top side color matching the center color of an adjacent face of the cube. This will be the target side. Rotate the top row in the direction away from the target. Rotate the target side up, then rotate the top back towards the target, and then the target side down. The top corner side color should match the original vertical line color and include a white tile. Now slide the top towards the target side. Then rotate the front face up so that the 2 white tiles are on the bottom. Rotate the top back, then the face back down so the bottom is white again. Repeat this process until the entire second row is complete. During this, if no colored tile matches a target side because there is only yellow, then perform these steps with any side to move the needed tiles out. Then you can complete the second row. Flip the cube so the yellow is up if it isn't already. Ignore the corners and orient the face so that it shows a dot, horizontal line, or a right angle in the top left. Rotate the face clockwise, the top to the left, the right side up, the top back to the right side down, then the face counterclockwise. If the top does not show a yellow cross, reorient the cube and try again as many times as it takes. Once you have a yellow cross, if one corner is yellow, making a fish pattern, you feed the fish by holding it so that the fish eats out of your left hand. If none of the corners are yellow, hold the cube with a yellow side facing left. If 2 corners are yellow, then hold the cube with the yellow facing you. With the correct orientation, rotate the right up, the top left, the right down, the top left, the right up, the top left 2 times, then the right down. You can remember this because the right rotation always alternates direction and the top rotation always goes to the left. If the top isn't entirely yellow, reorient the cube and repeat this process as many times as needed until the top is entirely yellow. Now, rotate the top until 2 corners are in the correct location. Then put those corners at the back, like taillights on a car. If the matching corners are in opposite corners, just put one to the back. Rotate the right side down, the front face clockwise, the right side down, the far back face to the left twice, the right side up, the front face counterclockwise, the right side down, the far back face counterclockwise twice, the right side up twice, and the top to the right. All the corners should match now. If they don't, reorient the cube so that the 2 corners that match are in the back and repeat this process until one side is completely solved and only 3 tiles in the top middle are incorrect. Put the solid side to the back and the yellow on top. Make note of the top middle color and which side of the cube its targeted matching color is. Rotate the front face clockwise twice. The top towards the targeted side, the right side down, the left side down, the front face clockwise twice, the right side up, the left side up, the top towards the targeted side, and the front face clockwise twice. If the cube isn't solved, reorient and try again. If you get into the situation where the top center tiles are all off, then use this solution to solve. Flip the cube so the white side is up. Flip the right face, then the front, then the back, then the left. Rotate the top to the left once, then repeat the flips from before, right, front, back, left, then rotate the bottom to the left. Congratulations! With practice comes speed and understanding. Take your time and try to learn why the moves work the way they do. This will help you become better and faster. There are many techniques to use when solving Rubik's cubes. Hopefully, this is helpful in getting you started.